Howdy, y'all. So today, my girlfriend, she invited one of her friends over, a guy friend. His name's Davey. He's a real nice guy. And my girlfriend suggested to me that I should go take a walk. And I thought, it's a nice day. I'll go do that. So I went for a walk while she spent time with Davey. And it was a really nice day. I saw these beautiful bluebirds. And I thought to myself, I thought my girlfriend would love to have seen these bluebirds, and I bet Davey would have liked them too. They were really nice birds, and I hope those two weren't having fun without me. I mean, I was kind of lonely out there, but those birds were nice. They were very pretty. Anyway, yeah, it was a nice walk. It was very nice. Yeah.